Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be doing the tutorial of the company registration. So this is going to be a short one. So for today we need to use the drop down all this input, picture uploader and also multi-line input. So firstly is that to do that for the profile of the company logo we just use the picture uploader where you can see on the input form on the left side of the bar. And then for the entity's name, location and so on will be the input, and then the company description is the multi-line input. So now we're going to go for confirm button. So on the step 1 of the action, we're going to do a create a thing, select company, and then company logo with the picture upload the value and so on. So website, description of the multi-line input, and also HR add the current user. So you have to add, which means that you are the one who's going to create the company. Step 2, make changes to a thing to a current user, and then select user company equal result of the step 1. And then step 3, go to company dashboard, and then data to send is the result of the step 1. So you may need to create the company dashboard for the next video and so on. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial. See you guys the next round of the of this job marketplace tutorial. Right, see you guys soon. Bye bye.